What's the meaning of abstractionist? Abstractionist. 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 An abstractionist is an artist who creates art that is not based on any recognizable objects or figures from the real world. Abstract art is often characterized by its use of shapes, colors, and lines to create a mood or feeling, rather than to represent something specific. Abstractionists may use their art to explore ideas about emotion, spirituality, or the nature of reality. Here are some examples of famous abstractionists: Wassily Kandinsky, Pete Mondrian, Jackson Pollock, Mark Rothko, Franz Klein. Abstraction is a broad term that encompasses a wide range of artistic styles. There is no one right way to create abstract art, and each artist brings their own unique vision to the medium.